everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add food instructions on Uber Eats. You can add food instructions or delivery notes during checkout with an order online, so let's go ahead and do it right now. First of all, open a web browser and then type in ubereats.com in it. You will now end up in the official website for Uber Eats, from where you will need to log into your account by entering your correct credentials. After you are logged in, go ahead and select your order you'd like to place. Make sure to add the food items and click on Add to Order. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add your food item you are trying to purchase in your shopping cart. Now, click on Go to Checkout. Complete your order by adding more items in it, and right where you can see Add Delivery Instructions, give it a click. Now you have some couple of delivery options. Select any one from the list. If you've got any delivery instructions, you can mention it right here. Go ahead and leave a note if you have any that you would want to include in your delivery. After you are done, click on Save and proceed with placing your order. So that's how you will be able to add food instructions on Uber Eats. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.